Hi everyone. Now we can see chat application with translation. This is the output of chat application. Now how it will work and workflow we can check. This is the coding part. In this we are using two. One is backend, another one is front end. In backend we are using Node.js and Express.js. And in front end we are using JavaScript and HTML and CSS. Now we can see backend. See, in this we are using Express.js and Node.js. So inputted those libraries models, and that port number is 3500. So inputted the API key for translation, and this is the translation route. This is for messaging route for connecting two peoples, and also we have disconnect, and this is for active. Who are the how many people are active in chat room? Like that it will work. And now we can see in front end. In front end I am using HTML, just simple HTML only. See, I am running this my code. Now we can start npm start. This is the running command of this project. My code is running. So server is running on 3500. Now we can check in Google. Localhost 3500. So this is the home page of chat application. In this we can see user one admin was connected, and we can create another one also. For 2% we can chat like that. I will give my name, and I created the one room. This is a room number 1, or else we can give another name also. I give just room 1. I'm choosing languages also. Now I'm comfortable with English, so I give English. Now I will give join. If I give join in user in one room, this is the room. In room number we can active in one person, and we can see rooms also, how many rooms active in this application. That also we can see. I will give a test like that. Created the test name, same room number. I will give another choose. This I will choose another language like Hindi. I will join. So we can see users in one room connecting two peoples. Like this it will connect. Active rooms are only one. If I check, we can chat. Now we can chat with two peoples. I will give hi. I will send it with Hindi. I choose it before I was Hindi. In this we can check hi. I choose it in English. So we can check in English. Test one person. This is the another one person. We can check like that. We can chat. I will check. I will send another message. How are you? In English. I send it in English. In this room we can check Hindi. It was translated. Like this we can chat, and also we can the voice record also is there. If I give voice record, it will change to message. Now we can check that. If I click record button, hi, hello. Yeah, I send it. If I give any input in my voice, it will translate to text, and we can chat with 2 peoples. Like this it will work. And also how many peoples also we can join with in this chat. Just I will show you another one example. I give test to same room number 1. Another, in this I am choosing another one language. Just I am choosing Kannada. If I give, now we can see users in room number 1, Ajay code and test 2. And in this place also we can see 3 peoples. I'm just, in this also I will message to them. Hello. It send it to Kannada. We can choose which language they are people choosing, that language to translate. So this guy test 1 is choosing Hindi. So it was changed in Hindi. And Ajay code is chosen English. So in this changed in English. Like this it will work. Thank you.